Hugging your partner is an instant stress reliever. Couples around the world who divorce tend to divorce around their fourth year of marriage. After 4 years, marriages generally stabilize until around 8 years. According to anthropologists, 90% of people kiss, and we all know why. If someone reading this does not know why, stop reading articles and kiss someone. Couples who have similar qualities are not likely to last in romantic relationship. On average, men around the world marry women who are 3 years younger than themselves. In the United States, men who remarry usually choose a wife 5 years younger. If they wed a third time, they often marry someone 8 years younger than themselves. Appearance and social status doesn't matter at all if you have liked someone due to their good behavior or good personality. Don't love what you can't trust. Don't hate what you can't have. Don't say what you can't show. Don't judge what you don't know. The longer couples are together, the less likely they are to say, "I love you." Overthinking is just a painful reminder that you care entirely too much, even when you shouldn't. Love always starts with physical features. What is the study or science of kissing called? It is called as philematology. The expression of having butterflies in your stomach is a real feeling that is caused by an adrenaline rush. When and if you fall for someone, it will probably be hard to avoid the feeling of butterflies dancing and fluttering around in your stomach. This happens as a body's response to a fight or flight situation. Don't marry or get in a serious relationship with someone unless you'd be proud to have a child exactly like them. Loving from a long distance actually strengthens a relationship. According to one study, the happiest couples are those without children. Girls fall in love with what they hear. Boys fall in love with what they see. That's why girls wear makeup and boys lie. Research has shown that men and women are more likely to fall for each other in dangerous situations than in uneventful surroundings.
A true relationship is when you can tell each other anything and everything, no secrets and no lies.